Good day everybody. We are expected to evaluate root of 5 positive 1 raised to the power of 10. In other words, they are asking us to find the value of this quantity. Now what I would like to do is, foremost, let me take x to be equal to 1 positive root of 5. Now square both sides. So the initial substitution or initial assumption was let x be equal to 1 positive root of 5. So let me have that. And over here, let us square both sides. Square both sides. So this is going to give me x squared. You expand this, you get 1 positive, 2 times root of 5 positive. Root of 5 squared will give you 5. You add these two, you get 6 positive, 2 times root of 5. Now, if you want, you can retain it like this, or you can take 2 out and this will be 3 positive root of 5. That's 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times root 5 will give you 2 root 5. So this is my x squared. So this is one such value we have. Next what I'm going to do is, I'm going to consider x is equal to 1 positive root 5 again. Now cube both sides. Cubing both sides, we get, so this is going to be x cubed. This is equal to 1 positive root of 5 raised to the power of 3. Now there is a formula. A positive b whole cubed is equal to a cubed positive b cubed positive 3a squared b positive 3a b squared. Utilizing this formula, I will get 1 cubed, that's 1 followed by root of 5 cubed followed by 3 times of 1 times squared or root of 5 positive 3 times of 1 times root of 5 squared. So this is equal to 1 positive 5 times root 5 positive 3 times root 5 positive root of 5 squared is going to be 5. 5 into 3 is going to give me 15. 1 added with 15 will give me 16 positive 5 added with 3 because we got root of 5 in both the cases. So this is going to be 8 times root of 5. Now if you want, you can take 8 out and write this as 2 positive root of 5. Right, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times root 5 is 8 root 5. What is this? This is x cubed. So therefore, now I'm going to consider 1 positive root of 5 whole to the power of 10. I've already taken this to be as x. So what is this? This is nothing but x power 10. Now I would like to rewrite this as x raised to the power of 5. This entire thing is raised to the power of 2. Because of the fact we have a property a raised to the power of m, the whole raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m times n. So this is acceptable. Now 5 is actually 3 positive 2. So let me write that. This is x raised to the power of 3 positive 2. This in turn is raised to the power of 2. Now a raised to the power of m positive n is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So this is going to be x raised to the power of 3 multiplied with x raised to the power of 2. This entire component is raised to the power of 2. But what is x raised to the power of 3? This is nothing but 8 times of 2 positive root of 5 multiplied with x raised to the power of 2. What is x raised to the power of 2? That is 2 times of 3 positive root 5. Now this has to be raised to the power of 2. Now clearly what we can do is we can multiply 8 with 2. That is going to be 16. This has to be raised to the power of 2. So place that. Now you will have to multiply 2 positive root 5 and 3 positive root 5 and raise the entire outcome to the power of 2. So we need to do that. So let me show you how to do that. We have 2 positive root 5 multiplied with 3 positive root 5. This is raised to the power of 2 and you have 16 squared outside. So 2 into 3 is going to be 6 and 2 into root 5. This is 3 into root 5 and 5 root 5 into root 5 will give you 5 raised to the power of 2 and 16 squared. So these two can be added. So it's going to be 5 times the root of 5. 6 and 5 can be added, that's 11. This is raised to the power of 2 and 16 squared is here. So you can utilize a positive b whole squared formula, which is going to be a squared positive b squared positive 2ab. So utilizing this formula, you have 16 squared of 11 squared positive 2 times of 11 times 5 times the root 5 positive 5 squared times, this is 5 squared and this is also squared, right? So that will become 5 there. So this is 16 squared of 11 squared is 121. 2 squared is 22. 22 you multiply with 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 5 times 2 is 10 and 11, right? And you have a root of 5 there, so place that. This is 25 into 5, that's 125. So you have 125 and 121, that's going to be 6 and 4 into 246. So 16 squared of 246 positive 110 over root 5. This is what you got. Okay. So now you need to just simply expand. So if you were to expand, you will get the outcome. Now 16 squared is 256. So this is 256 multiplied with 246 plus 256 multiplied with 110 multiplied with root 5. Now we will have to take the product and see. 256 multiplied with 246, 6 6 are 36, 3, 33, right, 6 6 are 36, you have 6 there and you take 30, 6 5 are 30, you add 3 there, you get 33 and you take a 3 here, 6 2s are 12 and 3 15. So 6 4s are 24, 2 20, 22 2, 8 and 10. And 12, 1, 10, 11, 1, 4 and 5. So you add up 6, 7, 9, 2 and 6. So over here 6, 2, 9, 7, 6 plus 2, 5. And let me show you here. 2, 5, 6 multiplied with 11. Okay. So 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6. 11, 1, 8, 2860. So this is 28160 multiplied with root of 5. Now root of 5 has a standard value of 2.23. Now I'm going to take it as 2.23, 2 decimal places. So what we have to do is we will have to multiply with 2.23. Okay, so I'm going to show you this 2.23. I'm going to multiply first with 223, no decimal place. So this is going to be 0, 18, 1, 3 over 3, 4, 24, 2, 6 and 8. So 0, 12 and 1 and 3, 16, 1, 4, 5. Over here 0, 12, 1, 3, 16, 1, 5. So 0, 8, 6, 9, 14, 17, 1, 12 and 1, 6. So 2 decimal places, this is what you get. So over here you get 62796.80. And over here you get 62976. So you add up both the things. So let me show you 62796.80 and over here 62976.00. You get 80 here, you get 12 1, 10 17 1, 17 1, 5 and 12. So approximately with all these calculations 125,772.80. Okay, so this is the value you're getting, 125. Okay, 772.80.